How's it going, everybody? My name is Troy, and welcome back to Lead Therapy. And I really appreciate you taking your time tuning into my video. If you guys could do me a large favor after watching this video, if you could please help the channel out by liking, sharing, and subscribing and hitting those post notifications, it would be greatly appreciated. A federal judge blasts the Supreme Court for its Second Amendment opinion in New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Bruen. A federal judge based in Mississippi has released a scorching order expressing frustration with the Supreme Court's Second Amendment opinion and ordered the Justice Department to brief him on whether he needs to appoint a historian to help him decipher the landmark opinion. The opinion in the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Bruen changed the framework that judges must use to review gun regulations. Going forward, Justice Clarence Thomas said that a gun law could only be justified if it's consistent with the nation's historical tradition of firearm regulation. Judge Carlton Reeves, who was considering a case concerning a federal statute prohibiting felons from possessing firearms, said he is not sure how to proceed. The justices of the Supreme Court, distinguished as they may be, are not trained historians, and we are not experts in what white, wealthy, and male property owners thought about firearm regulations in 1791. The Bruen decision, he said, requires him to play historian in the name of constitutional adjudication. Reeves, who sits on the United States District Court of the Southern District of Mississippi, ordered the parties, including the Justice Department, to brief him on whether he should appoint a historian within 30 days, not wanting to itself cherry-pick history. The court now asked the parties whether it should appoint a historian to serve as a consulting expert in this matter. The challenger to the felon possession law, Jesse Bullock, says the regulation cannot withstand the Supreme Court's latest decision interpreting the Second Amendment. Founding-era legislators did not strip felons of the right to bear arms simply because of their status as felons, Bullock argued. Since Bruen was released, new challenges to gun laws have opened up nationwide, but no other judge has deployed such strong criticism of the decision. It's not surprising that Reeves is an Obama-era nominee, and he has made headlines before. In 2019, invoking the history of segregation in the South, he publicly lambasted then-President Donald Trump for his attacks on judges. It seems to me this judge is just grandstanding because he doesn't like the Supreme Court decision. Let me know your guys' thoughts about this judge in the comment section down below. And as I mentioned at the starting of the video, please help the channel out by liking, sharing, and subscribing, and hitting those post notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video.